Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Helmuts and I'm the founder of HostMaria, and today we have a little bit different tutorial. This tutorial is for WordPress users who are being hit with tons of spam registrations. I have one of the classified ads websites of mine that is being targeted all the time. It is so old and it is added in many databases, in spam app databases, and it gets so many spam user registrations. I've been trying lots of different things how to battle it, and if you manage to keep these users out, then let me show you how to delete bulk users that are using the spam users, and by one specific thing, identifying users by a common domain name they use. Quite often, spammers use one domain, then they create lots of subdomains under it, and then they keep registering at your website, at your WordPress website or other website using that specific domain name. And I will show you how to delete. Okay, so let us move in and let us see. Let me prepare the screen. Okay, this is the StackCP dashboard, and it will be quite similar. So I have also prepared Pastebin. Please go to pastebin.com/u/hostmaria, and so once you go there, this is my Pastebin, and choose this file, and it will be easier if you click on raw. Let me make it larger, and it will make simpler. It will make easier to do everything. So step one, back up your database. Okay, at StackCP, it is very simple. We would go to timeline backups. You need to identify your database, of course. In our case, we have only one database. It is this one. If you don't know which database you are using, so find where your files are stored for your WordPress website. In our case, it is public HTML. Go to WP config. WP config. Okay, and here you go. And this is the database name. You will see the database name here. Okay, we are in the database. Let me return home. Okay, so that is how you find your database. Now you would go to timeline backups. This feature is specific to HostMaria users. Many 20R resellers will not have this feature as it costs significant funds. We are proud to include this feature in your account free of charge. So, WordPress database, and take a snapshot. Snapshot started. Just wait. You should wait till, so now you can see that you cannot do anything at the StackCP dashboard. So backup of WordPress database is in progress. Now we're waiting. Backups, these backups are important just in case if something goes sideways. Then it is quite easy to, and then if you want, then it is easy to restore the database. As we will be working with database, you can even check view previous jobs, and we can see the snapshot, bang, and you can see, hey, I have been restoring the website. And the last time I did restore the database was in 2022, so 2 years ago. Okay, and now let us go back. So step one, back up your database. Step two, open phpMyAdmin. So what we will be doing, we'll be doing all the tasks using phpMyAdmin. Don't be afraid. It will be very, very, very straightforward. So we need to go to MySQL Databases. This is the simplest thing. You would open your database. You would find your database. If there are many databases, you will. So this is the server name, and this is the database name and database username. And click on sign in. Here you go. If you will have more databases, you will see more databases here. In my case, on this server, I have only one database for this particular hosting package. So what we do here is we go into SQL. This is where you run SQL queries. And let us start with the first one. So now we need to find users. by most use domains in their emails. So take this, copy this link, copy these copy these commands, and limit. Up here, limit is 100 for StackCP. If you are using this tutorial on a different dashboard, I would highly suggest, as we have higher limits, I would highly suggest putting it maybe 25. Run. Okay, and it means how many domains will be displayed here. Okay, if we go back, we can run the same. We can run 50. We can run 50. Okay, and now we see top 50 most used domain names. In our case, okay, emails, oh yes, absolutely a spammer email. typenet.cn, definitely. So let us see typenet.cn. What you would do, I have already entered it, typenet.cn. So copy this line, go back to the, or open your MySQL database in a new tab, and let us check this user. Let us check these users. So this command will allow you. So it says select from WP users, select users from WordPress users with email that is typenet.cn. If you are using subdomain, then you could use, instead of @ you could use this one as well. Okay. Okay. So without, yes, in this case @ is removed. Then anything that goes to the left side, everything will work. Okay. And we can use it like this. And now we see typenet.cn users, and we can see yes, user URLs. These are all clear spam users. Clear spam users. They don't care. Look, their emails is GGG something. They have no intention to use your website, like so. And all these users can be removed. So what you do next? You copy the next one. Again, go back. And so what you would do, delete from WP users. Yes, so you would be using users from WP users where user email ends with @typenet.cn. Again, if you have a subdomain, if let us say users are using version 1, then you have a version 3.3, then a T545. If you have users like these, let us see. So we can see Gambly click. So they are using different. Okay, this one click. This they are using subdomains as well. In this case, all you would do is just remove this @ and anything. So anything with this domain will get deleted. Run the command. 700 users removed. Shall we try one more? Shall we go after the big one? Okay, we can see emails. Yes. Okay. So let us check out these users. Check these users. Okay, let us check these users. And okay, let us check these users. Go. And we can see that we have 21,500 users. And let us check them. Oh, these are clearly computer-generated email addresses. Absolutely. These are clear spam users. So what do we do with them? We know that we can easily remove them. So what do? We go to MySQL, so database to SQL section. Up here, we would take, once again, emails. In my case, just in a case, I will remove @. So just in case, if some are using subdomains, then let us deal with them as well and remove them. Bang. Okay. So 21,000 rows have been removed. After that, you need to, it is highly advisable to clean the metadata, and step 6, and just clean your database. Okay, and now the database cleaning is in process. Another great, if absolutely fantastic plugin that I'm using is WP Optimize. And yeah, and now that's it. We can go to size and let us see. Okay, and it is my database size is still 800 megs. Okay, yes, and that is it. That is how you remove spam users using phpMyAdmin. Why you should do this way rather than using your WP admin dashboard? For one simple reason: speed, speed, speed. This process is much, much, much quicker. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a great day. Bye.